When it comes to personal defense, duty, or the battlefield, one truth stands above all. Your sidearm must never fail. In the moments that truly count, when everything depends on a single pull of the trigger, there are no second chances. Reliability isn't just a feature, it's survival. That's why today, on Scoper 360, we're taking a closer look at 7 handguns that have earned the trust of soldiers, law enforcement officers, and responsible citizens all over the world. These are not showpieces for a gun safe. They're workhorses, the sidearms that have proven their worth in the harshest environments on Earth, from active war zones to the daily grind of patrol duty. Some of them are modern marvels of engineering. Others are timeless classics that refuse to fade away. But every single one has one thing in common: they work every single time. So let's get into it. These are the 7 most trusted handguns of 2025, the sidearms that define reliability, precision, and real-world performance. We start with the Springfield XD series, a pragmatic, no-nonsense platform that earned its reputation by being simple, durable, and affordable. Originally designed in Croatia as the HS-2000 and imported to the United States by Springfield Armory, the XD brought a modern striker-fired layout together with a distinctive grip safety that gives many shooters an added sense of mechanical security without complicating operation. The forged steel slide and rugged polymer frame make it a true workhorse, capable of handling thousands of rounds with minimal maintenance. The standard XD9 model features a 4-inch barrel and a 16+1 capacity in 9mm, giving it ideal duty-size proportions. Its pros are reliability, ergonomics, and excellent value, typically priced between $550 and $600. The only real drawback is that grip safety, which some love and others dislike. After extended testing, I find the XD to be an excellent everyday pistol for shooters who want proven dependability without paying a premium. It's predictable, serviceable, and always ready to go. Next comes the Smith & Wesson M&P9, a purpose-built duty pistol created for professionals from the ground up. The name stands for military and police, and it more than earns that title. The M&P9's greatest strength is its ergonomics. Interchangeable back straps allow the shooter to fit the grip to their hand size, while a low-bore axis helps reduce muzzle flip for faster follow-up shots. Built with a polymer frame and a stainless slide treated for corrosion resistance, the M&P9 can stand up to daily carry and harsh conditions. The standard full-size model offers a 4¼ barrel and a 17+1 capacity. It's known for top-tier ergonomics, rock-solid reliability, and wide aftermarket support. Some shooters have criticized its factory trigger for being spongy, but newer generations and upgrades have improved that significantly. With street prices around $550 to $650, it's a reliable, comfortable handgun that builds confidence quickly. In my experience, it's one of the most shooter-friendly pistols on the market, ideal for both new and experienced users alike. From there, we moved to Germany and the Heckler & Koch USP, a pistol built like a tank and engineered for extremes. When H&K developed the USP, they didn't settle for lab tests. They tortured these guns through brutal endurance trials, and they just kept running. The USP's modular control system allows for different trigger and safety configurations, making it adaptable to various missions and preferences. In 9mm, the full-size USP carries 15+1 rounds and uses a 4¼ barrel. It's heavier than most polymer pistols, but that weight helps absorb recoil and adds confidence during rapid fire. Prices typically range from $900 to $1,000. Maintenance can take a bit more effort, yet the reward is unmatched toughness. After thousands of rounds and exposure to mud, rain, and sand, the USP remains consistent and dependable. It may not be the lightest or most modern design, but for those who demand a duty gun that can survive anything, it's among the best in the world. Then there's the Colt 1911, the American classic that refuses to die. Designed by John Moses Browning and adopted by the U.S. military in 1911, this single-action .45 ACP pistol served through 2 world wars, Korea, Vietnam, and still appears in the hands of specialized units today. Its short, crisp trigger is legendary, offering an accuracy and control that modern pistols still struggle to match. The standard government model carries 7+1 or 8+1 rounds with a 5-inch barrel. You can buy a reliable entry-level 1911 for around $800 or spend several thousand on a custom build. Its strengths lie in precision, trigger quality, and timeless design, but it does have drawbacks: lower capacity, heavier weight, and the need for proper maintenance and training. After spending years shooting different 1911 variants, I've learned to respect it as a specialist's tool. In capable hands, it's unmatched for accuracy and feel, though it's less practical for those who prioritize capacity or simplicity. Our next pistol, the Beretta 92FS, is a service legend known to generations of U.S. troops as the Min 9. Adopted by the military in 1985, it served as the standard sidearm for more than 3 decades. The open slide design, one of its signature features, virtually eliminates stovepipe malfunctions and makes cycling incredibly smooth. It's a double-action, single-action pistol, giving a long, deliberate first pull followed by lighter, crisp shots. The full-size model has a 4.9-inch barrel and a 15+1 capacity in 9mm. With street prices around $700 to $800, it remains a proven performer. The pros include reliability, excellent accuracy, and a robust all-metal frame that reduces recoil. On the downside, it's large, heavy, and the trigger transition between double and single action takes training to master. Personally, I find the 92FS a well-balanced, battle-tested pistol that exudes confidence. It's a bit too big for concealed carry, but as a duty gun, it's an icon that has earned its respect the hard way. Now we come to the SIG Sauer P226, a pistol whose reputation was forged in elite service. It went head-to-head with the Beretta during military trials and lost only on price. Yet it found new life with the Navy SEALs and countless other special operations units around the world. Built to thrive in salt water, mud, and sand, the P226 is famous for reliability under abuse. Its double-action, single-action system uses a decocking lever instead of a manual safety, making it fast, intuitive, and safe. The aluminum alloy frame adds weight but greatly reduces recoil, giving it a smooth, stable feel during rapid fire. With a 4.4-inch barrel, 15+1 capacity, and prices from about $900 to $1,200, it's not cheap, but you're buying top-tier precision and confidence. After extensive time with several P226 variants, I can say it's a professional-grade handgun through and through. The trigger reset is short and tactile, the construction is immaculate, and the balance is exceptional. It's heavier than modern polymer guns, but it inspires a level of trust few pistols can match. Finally, we arrive at the Glock 19, the handgun that redefined what a modern pistol should be. When Glock introduced its polymer frame design, it revolutionized the industry by proving that simplicity, reliability, and lightweight construction could coexist. The Glock 19 is compact yet capable, with a 4.02-inch barrel, a 15+1 capacity, and an unloaded weight under 24 ounces. Its safe action system employs 3 internal safeties and keeps the trigger pull identical from first shot to last. No external safety, no decocker, just point and shoot. That consistency makes it one of the fastest and most intuitive defensive pistols ever made. Objectively, it's hard to fault, it's reliable, easy to maintain, and supported by an unmatched ecosystem of parts and accessories. Prices usually range between $550 and $650. Its critics might call it plain or lacking in character, but that utilitarian design is precisely why it dominates. After years of carrying and training with the Glock 19, I see it as the perfect balance of size, capacity, and performance. It's light, durable, and always ready, making it one of the most trusted sidearms on the planet. So there you have it, 7 handguns that have earned their reputations by doing the one thing that matters most. They work every single time. From the battle-tested Colt 1911 to the elite-proven SIG P226 and the unstoppable Glock 19, these pistols represent the peak of reliability and design. Each has its own character, its own strengths, and its own loyal following, but all share the same purpose: to perform when it counts. Now it's your turn. Tell me which one you'd trust your life with, or which one deserves a spot in your collection. Drop your thoughts and questions in the comments. Hit like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more deep dive reviews right here on Scoper 360, where we test, analyze, and talk about the firearms that define performance and reliability. Stay sharp, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next review.